What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here hanging out with us for another video today. My name's Cora. This video is sponsored by a company called Muscart. They sent me some really awesome headlights and I'm going to be installing them in this video today. Upgrading to these high quality headlights not only makes your ride safer, but it also improves the look of your vehicle and its performance. These LED bulbs have a lower power pull on your vehicle's battery and system, and they improve nighttime visibility up to 500%. They are definitely worth it, guys. Let's go ahead and check out what they sent. Alrighty, y'all. Let's go ahead and open these headlights up. See what's in the box. Drive you to the future. We shall see. Nice. They include extra bulbs. It's really convenient. Alright guys, I'm going to get these out of the box. That way you can have a closer look at them. You're looking at everything that came in the kit. Nice LED headlights. Extra bulbs. Stuff to install it. So I'm going to go ahead and get these things put in the car, and then we'll test them out and see how they work. Check it out, guys. I got the headlights installed and they look bright. Let's go check out these headlights and see how they work now that it's nice and dark out here. We're gonna go take it for a drive too. Test them out on the road. Whoa! Need some sunglasses out here. These are sweet. I'm loving these.
See
track tomorrow night. Headlights are really bright. They look awesome. Alrighty y'all, I made it back to the house and I highly recommend these headlights. As you saw for yourself, they worked amazing. They lit up the whole road. I really do have bad eyesight, so these headlights are going to help out a lot. I'm really happy that they're in the car. Thank you so much, Muscart, for sending me the headlights. I'm going to put the link down in the description. That way if you guys want to order some, it'll be easy to find. So make sure you go check those out and get you a pair because they are great. I'm going to go ahead and wrap the video up here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up if you did. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, guys. It'd mean the world to me. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. Thanks again, Muscart. You guys are the bomb, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.